Little storyteller.
Leo was a little boy with bright, curious eyes and hair like sunshine. His grandpa had a very tall, very old clock in the hallway. The clock had a round, smiling face and a long wooden body covered in swirling carvings. "Leo," Grandpa said with a gentle smile, "this is a very special clock. Please look, but don't touch." Leo nodded, his eyes wide with wonder. The clock tick-tocked in a steady, comforting way. One sunny afternoon, while Grandpa was napping in his cozy armchair, Leo looked at the old clock. He really wanted to know what made it tick. He stood on his tippy-toes and peeked at the bottom of the clock. There, tucked into a tiny crack, was a small, shiny key with a star-shaped head. Carefully, Leo wiggled the key free. It felt cool and smooth in his hand. He looked at the clock, wondering where the key went. He saw a tiny keyhole hidden behind a little wooden door near the clock's smiling face. Leo gently put the star-shaped key into the keyhole and turned it. There was a soft click, and the little wooden door popped open. Inside, nestled on soft velvet, was a tiny golden bird with sparkling blue eyes. Suddenly, the golden bird opened its beak and sang a sweet, tinkling melody. The clock's tick-tock seemed to follow the bird's song. Grandpa woke up and saw Leo with the open clock and the little key. Instead of being upset, Grandpa smiled. "Ah, you found the clock's little secret," he said. "This clock doesn't just tell time. It plays a special song every hour, thanks to the magic bird inside." Leo's curiosity had helped him discover something wonderful. Grandpa showed Leo how to gently wind the clock with the star-shaped key. As they listened to the next sweet melody, Grandpa said, "Curiosity can lead to amazing discoveries, Leo. Just remember to be gentle and respectful with things that are special."
Please subscribe. Thank you.